In today's tutorial, we are diving deep into the world of data analysis with pivot tables in Excel. Whether we are a beginner or an experienced Excel user, pivot tables are a powerful tool for summarizing and analyzing your data like a pro. So let's get started, okay? So the first thing is you need to open up the Excel and load it your data set. For this demonstration, I have already prepared our simple data set containing sales data for fictional company. Okay, so now that we have our data loaded, it's time to create our first pivot point tables. Okay, simply click on any cell within your data set. Okay, then navigate it to the insert tabs and click on the pivot tables. Okay, so next Excel will promote you select the range for your pivot tables and make sure range covers all your data set, and then choose whether you want to place the pivot tables in a new worksheet or in existing worksheet. Okay, so for this tutorial I will use the new worksheet, then hit on the OK, and now our pivot table is ready. And now let's say we want to analyze the total sales by product, category, and regions. And here, this is the blank one. To do this, we need to simply drag the product category, a field into the rows area, and then region field into the columns area. Okay, and then drag the sales field to the values area. Okay, so and just like that we have a comprehensive summary of our sales data broken down by product category and also the region. But wait, they are small, so Excel offers a wide range of customizations open for the pivot tables. You can change the calculation type and apply filter, sort data, even create calculated fields. And okay, so now let's take our analysis to the next level by adding keyword charts. Simply select any cell within your keyword table, then navigate to the insert tabs into there. Just click over here, and this time use the your desired chart types, or use the pivot charts. Click over here and now click the desired charts you want to use for your demonstration. For now I want to use this one, then hit on the OK. So now that we have our pivot charts over here, okay, now if I change this one, not the electronics, if I change the clothing, then hit on the OK. Now that we found the keyboard chart also changes here in our keyboard charts, and it's a dynamic keyboard chart that visualize our sales data in a clear and concise manner. Okay, so with the pivot chart or pivot tables and the charts, you can uncover valuable insight and make informed business decision. Okay, so and if you want to customize also the chart and also the pivot tables, you can easily select the pivot tables, use the pivot table, analyze our design. You can have the different style, like you want to show subs as this one or these times. I will select all here, and here we have now this one. Now if I use only the east and north and hit on the OK, now we have only the east and north data in there, and also it also shows up as the charts. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial or analyzing data with pivot tables in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, so stay tuned for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analysis. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.